Okay, so my birthday will be on the 31st of May, so I thought, why not do a photo shoot? I decided with my broke self, I know I don't have money. I sent a message to a photographer and then I was asking, like, how much is it for a photo shoot? And the man was like, one outfit change for $50. I'm like, this is how I left his DM. Because my pocket is not pocketing. I'm still a student. $50 can go a long way. We are going to do this photo shoot, but I am going to be doing the photo shoot at home. I'm going to be doing a DIY photo shoot in my bedroom, and we'll see how this turns out. This is my first time doing it. I've not done any type of decoration before, and I'm excited to see how this turns out. I hopefully everything works out well. And yeah, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. Right now I'm just from school, so I'm going to get some decorations for the pictures. It's just some cheap decorations, so that's all I'm gonna get, and then come back and then we'll see how best this works out, hopefully. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber too, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jobet. Please continue watching this video, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So yeah, let's go, let's head out. I don't know. I am just hoping this thing works out because I only hope it won't be a struggle to get like the right angle, the correct pictures, the quality. So I'm hoping it works out. Yeah. Anyways, let's go catch the bus.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Alright guys, so right now I'm about to decorate. I don't know what this is going to look like, but let's do it. Ignore my face, there's marks on my face right now. So yeah. This is how it looks, guys. So I'm just basically going to take two, I guess. We're improvising here, guys. This is a pen. So instead of a straw, we're using a pen. And here comes my photographer.
Yeah, them do it. Oh, wait, very nice.
Yep.
I'm black. Why don't you come on the first of all? I'm going to contribute.
This is the situation here. So for these pictures, we use an iPhone 11 Pro Max. We had a ring light at the side and one in front of me to give enough light for the pictures, and also we turned on the ceiling light on, which was a white light, not a yellow one, so which gave enough lighting for the pictures. And I'm glad they turned out well. You'll get to see it at the end of the video. Yeah, hopefully you can do your photo shoot like this. As you can see, the decorations turned out really well, pretty well. It's actually what time on the calendar?
141.
It's actually 1:41. See the scale. It's 1:41 a.m. right now, and I'm taking these pictures. So I'm glad they turned out well. I'll insert the pictures in the video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let me know if you will do something like this instead of looking for a professional photographer, of course. Everything here costs like 200 Turkish lira, and I'll change it in foreign currency so you guys can see it's not expensive at all. If you want to do photo shoot on a budget, I think this is the way to go.
If you find the one, you should never give her up.
That's it, guys. Thank you all for watching, and thanks to my amazing roommates who stayed up all night to take these pictures with me. Without them, I wouldn't have gotten all these nice pictures. Thank you all so much. See you in my next video. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.